Hello, greetings everyone. So today I'm here to tell you about this International Association of Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine. I am Dr. Tripti Sharan. I'm a gynecologist practicing in Delhi. So the past few couple of years I've been hearing a lot about regenerative medicine, role of stem cells in cosmetic gynecology, and everywhere else, cosmetic branches have a certain level of bias and taboos in the minds of people. And but then gradually, as I was seeing more and more women who were suffering from problems that could be to an extent be treated non-invasively through cosmetic means, I was introduced to this world by Mr. Prabhu Mishra. I must say that was the best decision that I took in my life, because he opened to me, I would say, a world of possibilities. Here I could see what all PRPs, what stem cells, and so many other techniques. I can't go into details here, but they could bring a wealth of difference in the life of women. And it is not only about the cosmetic part; it treats very important conditions like GSM, like pain disorders, about vaginismus, and to an extent, lot of sexual dysfunction also. So it's ultimately about improving your quality of life, giving that feeling of well-being in women. And I'm so happy after learning things here. I think I'm much better equipped to do that, and I must thank Prabhu Mishra for the excellent academic knowledge that he gave us. There was a lot of hands-on training also. He told us every step how to prepare things and how to even small minute things that trouble us. He could give us a very good in-depth knowledge about. His faculty was also very good, and let me be very honest, the lunch and hospitality was also excellent. We really enjoyed here meeting so many people from across the world. Thank you so much.